Sisi ni wale tuliosaidiwa. Nasi mnajienjoy. Acha hata kwanza niamke kwanza nione. Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Nakuja. So today we have just landed from work. And just want to check out the fundis have done this thing. It's already 6 in the evening. As you can see, there's no sun. It's only cloudy. It's cloudy. There's no sun. It's only just cloudy. So I'm coming from work. And Rich, now come. You see these trees? These are our trees. Tumekuwa tukubwa. Kamekuwa kakubwa at least. Our cypress trees. And then we have wow, this fundi did a very good job. This we call it, is it kayepo? Or what do we call it? And then we have these ones. They are still growing. You can see the fundi, the person who was in charge. Tried to support them because they have been falling. By the way, he did a very good job. See, they are very tall. They are even taller than me. And then we have this kayapo. You can see water. By the way, he did a very good job. We watered and then the way they are going like this up to the end. Na shamba kweli. Hii shamba nao imekuwa chafu aje. Si ya shamba ya well, this one needs a lot of work. Msilalie hizi miti. Mnaona vile imesimamisha vizuri? Msilalie, mkilalia zitaanguka. Hata hazina nguvu. Hazina nguvu. Unaona vile anko alisimamisha vizuri? Then now it's not the planting season, so we used the rains for this. Hizi mvua tumetumia tukapanda sukuma. These kales, they call them kales. Yeah, these people of mine walipanda sukuma. And then we have a nursery there. That is a nursery. Hii ni nursery pale chini. All that green. That one is a nursery. The sukuma, spinach, terere, they call them what? Terere. This is the terere. I don't know, this is the terere or this managu. Mimi sijui hizo majina. The managu. Inaitwa ushago. Unaenjoy? Acha tuchukue video huku kwa. Leo tuone malenge kama imekuwa kubwa. Sio kama hii imekuwa kubwa. I don't see anything. Romi, hii ingine si iko na watoto? Iko na tumalenges, sio? Sasa tuonyeshe. Ikimwagiliwa ash inakuwa sawa. This one is sick by the way. So okay. So ikimwagiliwa ash. Hata wacha niche. Good. Wow, there's so many. So fresh. Hey, we have so many. There's another one there. Then we have another one there. Hey, fruits. We have so many of them. Then we have another one there. Hey, there are so many. Hmm. Wow. Coconut again. Oh. Then we have this sad news. We have some cabbage here. Wow. Kumbe malenge ikinini huwa inamwagili, ikiharibika inamwagiliwa ash.
Kwa nini?
Sinaona umemwagilia ash.
Ni pasi nilikuwa nayo.
Mimi nafikiria unaitibu. Mimi nilikuwa nafikiria unaitibu. I thought you were treating. Mimi nafikiria hivyo jamani. Wow. Hutu tuna grow. Wow. The two cabbages are growing. Alafu ng'ombe yake zilikula boga zetu. Wow, the cattle did us. Huh? This is what they did to us. They came, ate all the skumas. And then, even this side, Aki, they ate the remaining ones. Just like that. That's what they did. This, even the oofs. As you can see, mnaona miguu za ng'ombe. Aki, they destroyed our crops like, wow. I didn't see this coming. It's so beautiful. Wow. Kasupu. And then we are trying to plant the grass, by the way. Msikanyage kwa grass. We're just trying to plant the grass. Tuone kama zita maneuver. Those are our grass. Oh, let me show you these are compound. Let me show you the nursery. Wacha nionyeshe watu nursery hapa. Sisi ni wakulima. We are planting. This is the nursery. Mi sijui hizi man. If I tell you, I'll be lying. What? I don't know those greens. I don't know. Kama ujui. If you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. With tukukus here and there. Anyway, they are not mine. Me, when I get chicken, I just eat them. Sijaanza kulea, sitaki kuwadanganya. Hizo si zangu. They are not mine. They are for these guys. Our caretaker is the one who lives there. So, these are his chicken. And they sleep in that house there. Me, I have not constructed mine, but I've already bought two chicken. I think 2 chicken. Is it chicken? 2 female ones. And I don't know, I'm not sure, but I feel like eating them because I don't have a house. How did these ones fall? At a gate ndio hiyo, we are still trying to construct our gates. And then we left it halfway. Due to financial problems here and there. But very soon we are going to construct it. So, here I am, sitting outside because I've just arrived na hakuna stima. So we are just here. Kama mtu kingine ndio hapa kama. Unatoa viatu? Good boy. So, hakuna stima, there's no electricity. And I don't feel like staying in that house without electricity. It's here. I don't feel like staying in that house without electricity. So, even for rich. Why you These are pipes. Mattresses. I don't understand these things, but this kid drive them this mat. I always come with this every single day. They're sweet summer. Anyway, they're just made for kids. It's like a mattress. Spongy, sugary, tasty. They're nice. They're nice. So my people, I want to give you a house tour, just a sitting room tour. And I don't know, Sijui lakini I'll see what I'll do, but I'll just give a house tour, not full, half house tour. And then when it's done, it's completely done, I'll give you a full house tour. And then we have this solar. Tell me guys. By the way, tuko na hii solar. This one. Karibu inawaka. So, this is what it does. Inangoja, it waits until 7 or until darkness. When darkness comes, it just lights itself. And when morning comes, it is even ready. It is like we are ready. We are almost. I'm ready. I'm just waiting for the darkness because it's already charged. And you see those lights there? Those means it's already charged. It's like we are just waiting for the darkness to come. This is our delivery van, our delivery pickup, by the way, in the hardware. So it comes and it has just arrived. This is where it sleeps, Ama. It is packed. Ama sleeps inalala huku. It sleeps here. Yeah, it's packed here. The driver will come in the morning, pick it, go and deliver. And the day is done. But today, my friends, my day was long. I had a very long day. I'll explain it to you one day. We'll talk about it. We won't talk about it today. But I thank God it's evening. I thank God the day has ended.
Mom!
But it was not a good day for me. It was a very emotional day for me. But I thank God for everything. I thank God for life. A day. And everything. So my people,
Unaangalia pale.
don't forget to subscribe. These are my people here. These are our friends. Mine are this one and this one. This is our friend. She's called Dance. Kanaitwa Dance Prudence. Is it Prudence? She's Prudence. Share. So, we have a friend here, Prudence. That's a mom. And a little son there bathing. So please, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yeah, that's our compound. Simply, that's our compound. I was just checking up the trees, the way they planted the trees. The kaya, is it kayepo? Kayepo, yeah. It's called kayepo. It's used for fencing mostly, so we decided to plant it at the back of our house, just going down. Then, on this side, we are going to put a perimeter wall, not now but later, a perimeter wall like this, to just to separate from our neighbors, so that no one will be watching what you are doing when you are here. We have our neighbors at the other side, by the way, and we have a barrier. They have a barrier going on. Yeah, so sorry for them. Oh yeah, may God give them comfort at this time. So we are just almost, we are preparing. I'm just waiting for that Nini to go for the barrier. She's there washing her kids. So I'm just waiting for her. We go for the barrier preparations. It will be on Saturday. Today it's on a Tuesday. And yeah, we decided we'll put a perimeter wall there, so that we'll be seeing the other people what they're doing, and they won't be seeing us. And a gate there. So a gate there. It will be there. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and please give it a thumbs up. Bye.